France, a country known for its romance, culture, and cheese, also holds a treasure trove of family-friendly experiences waiting to be discovered. From the enchanting castles steeped in history to exhilarating theme parks that spark youthful joy, France is a kaleidoscope of attractions for everyone. Its rich tapestry of culture, arts, and cuisine creates an ideal backdrop for families seeking both entertainment and enlightenment. So, whether you're young or simply young at heart, France is ready to captivate you. Pack your bags and join us as we explore the best family-friendly activities in France. Step back in time and immerse your family in the rich history of France. The country is a treasure trove of historical sites that are not only mesmerizing, but also family-friendly. First stop on our historical adventures is the Palace of Versailles. This grandiose chateau is an architectural marvel that narrates tales of royal extravagance. But it's not just about gilded halls and splendid gardens. For families, the palace offers interactive audio guides and activities, transforming a historical tour into an exciting time travel journey for your little ones. Next, we venture into the heart of Paris, to the world-renowned Louvre Museum. Home to thousands of works of art, including the mysterious Mona Lisa, the Louvre is more than just a museum. It's an educational playground where children can learn about different cultures and periods through art. With family workshops and treasure hunts, the Louvre ensures learning is fun for all ages. Our final destination is the enchanting island commune of Mont Saint-Michel. Rising from the sea like a fairy tale castle, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a living history lesson. From the medieval abbey at its peak to the winding streets filled with centuries-old buildings, every corner of Mont Saint-Michel tells a story. Plus, the adventurous walk across the tidal causeway is sure to be a hit with the kids. With each step, your family will discover a new piece of France's fascinating history. Prepare for a day of thrills and laughter at France's top-rated theme parks. First off, let's talk about Disneyland Paris, a magical place where everyone's favorite characters come to life. From classic Disney princesses to the thrilling adventures of Marvel superheroes, there's a story for every family member to dive into. And the rides? Oh, the rides. They're a delightful blend of heart-pounding excitement and enchanting magic that will leave you breathless. But Disneyland Paris is just the beginning. Let's take a virtual journey to Puy du Fou, a historical theme park that takes you back in time. Imagine stepping into the shoes of a Viking, a Roman gladiator, or a medieval knight. This isn't your typical theme park. Instead, it's a living, breathing history lesson that's just as exciting as it is educational. And let's not forget the incredible shows at both parks. From breathtaking fireworks displays lighting up the night sky over Sleeping Beauty's castle, to epic battles reenacted in Puy du Fou's grand arenas, you'll be on the edge of your seat, completely immersed in the spectacle. In France, theme parks are more than just amusement parks. They're magical lands filled with excitement, discovery, and most importantly, fun. Whether you're a fan of fairy tales, superheroes, or history, these theme parks have something for everyone. A day spent at these theme parks will leave your family with unforgettable memories. France's natural beauty is a playground waiting to be explored. From the towering peaks of the French Alps to the gentle rolling hills of the Loire Valley, there's an outdoor adventure for every family. Imagine lacing up your hiking boots and setting off on a journey through the French Alps. The crisp mountain air, the sound of a distant waterfall, the sight of majestic peaks stretching out before you. It's a hiker's paradise. This is not just an exercise, it's a chance for your family to bond, overcome challenges together, and create unforgettable memories. Or perhaps you prefer the idea of a leisurely bike ride through the picturesque vineyards and chateaux of the Loire Valley. As you pedal along the river, you'll be immersed in a landscape that seems to have been painted by an artist. Cycling here is more than just exercise. It's a way to slow down and really soak in the French countryside's unique charm. And let's not forget about canoeing in the Dordogne. Gliding along the river, you'll pass by stunning cliffs, medieval castles, and quaint villages. Canoeing in the Dordogne isn't just an exciting activity. It's a journey through time and a feast for the senses. So, whether you're an adrenaline junkie or a nature lover, France's outdoor activities have something for everyone. Discover the great outdoors of France, where adventure awaits around every corner. Families that eat together stay together, especially when in France. In this food-loving nation, the culinary experience is about more than just dining. It's an adventure of its own. One of the most engaging ways to dive into French culture is by taking a family cooking class. Imagine learning how to whip up a perfect croissant or simmering a hearty coq au vin right in the heart of France. It's a hands-on experience that not only teaches you about traditional French cuisine, but also brings you closer as a family. And of course, a culinary journey in France would be incomplete without tasting the local delights. Stroll through bustling markets and savor the vibrant colors, enticing smells, and delightful tastes. Visit charming cafes and let your taste buds discover new favorites. From creamy cheeses to delicate pastries, every bite is a revelation. Dive into the delicious world of French cuisine, a treat for both your taste buds and your family bonds. France, a destination that offers an abundance of family-friendly activities. We've embarked on a journey through time, visiting historical sites that offer a peek into the past. We've experienced the thrills of French theme parks, where laughter and excitement are the order of the day. We've ventured outdoors, where nature's playground offers endless opportunities for adventure. And we've tasted the delectable flavors of French cuisine, an experience that's sure to delight the taste buds of every member of the family. But this is just the tip of the iceberg. France is a treasure trove of experiences, each one unique, each one memorable. It's a place where families can create memories that will last a lifetime. From history to adventure, from culture to cuisine, France has something for every family. So when are you planning your family trip to France?